Sí.
Good evening, guys. How are you?
Teacher.
Hello, hello. How was your day? Are you tired? It's raining by your homes?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Yesterday, Guayaquil get drowned. It's water on your house? No?
Durán, no.
Not Durán?
No.
Okay, perfect. That's such a luck, guys. Qué buena suerte. Aquí tampoco se metió el agua. So let's see. Today we have a new grammar topic. Are you seeing my screen? ¿Están viendo mi pantalla?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me see if there is some classmate here. No hay ningún compañero. Okay. So let's start over. We are going to use another unit. Okay? Tell me, Mr. Santiago, help me. What says? What does it say?
Did you get my message?
Did you get my message?
Yes.
¿Recibiste mi mensaje? Did you get my message? Okay. This we have here vocabulary. Okay, wait, Mrs. Rosa Isela is here. Okay, perfect. We have here a new vocabulary and a new grammar, so you are going to need your notebooks. Necesitan sus cuadernos. Do you have your notebooks by your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
perfect, guys. So first of all, let's start. Are you crazy about the internet? Remember, those are not that new books, okay, but they are not old, but they are not so new. We are not going to hear about TikTok, about Instagram, maybe, or another social media that it's popular now, but we can use the social media that we are still using it, like Facebook, or what is it? What else is old? ¿Qué más es viejo? What is old? Facebook is for old people, for people like me. Maybe Instagram? No?
Maybe Pinterest.
Pinterest. Oh my God, I use Pinterest too. I'm getting old.
Está, Telegram.
Telegram. Yeah, Telegram is also for old people. And I use Telegram too. Oh my God, I'm getting sad. Okay, here. Good evening, Mrs. Rosa Isela. Good evening, Mr. Jorge.
Good evening, teacher. Good evening, class.
Good evening. So let me see if there is another classmate. No. Okay, perfect. Let's continue the activity. So we have a quiz, okay? It says we are doing it in pairs, but I'd rather do it individually, okay? So, okay, yes, we have to answer the question and see how many points do we get. And after that, we go to page number 149 and we see the results. Oh. So, question number 1. How much time do you spend on the internet? ¿Cuánto tiempo pasan en internet? Less than 10 hours a week. Menos de 10 horas en una semana. Between 10 and 30 hours a week. Entre 10 y 30 horas. More than 30 hours a week. Más de 30 horas a la semana. What do you think?
B.
Letter B for you, Mrs. Gabriela. For you, Mrs. Scarlett.
Less than 10 hours a week.
For you, Mr. Santiago.
Letter C.
Letter C, more than 30 hours. A whole day in the internet, more than a whole day. Okay, it doesn't sound that crazy. What about you, Mr. Johan?
B.
Letter B. What about you, Mrs. Rosa Isela?
letter B.
Letter B. And you, Mr. Jorge?
Yeah, me too. Letter B. Because
Letter
my because for my work, no social media and everything.
Streaming is also consuming of internet. When you are watching Netflix, Max, Prime Video, it is also internet. It's a platform. It's a stream platform. So I think maybe I spend more than 30 hours a week. This is concerning. Okay,
It's
question number
dangerous.
2. It's dangerous, I think, but I have classes, so what am I going to do? Mr. Johan, tell me question number 2.
You want to have a party, how do you invite your friends?
Okay, you want to have a party. Quieren tener una fiesta. How do you invite your friends? ¿Cómo invitan a sus amigos? You speak to them, les hablan. You send invitation by post, les envían un post. You email, text, or message them, les envían un mensaje o un email. What do you think, Mrs. Gabriela?
You will send invitation by post.
By post. Okay,
Yes.
you make an invitation on Canva and you say it by message.
Yes. Or
It is a
Or
message. A
before-
post, you have to write it. It's a physical card, a letter.
physical.
Uh-huh. A post is a
Or-
physical letter, like una
Oh,
carta.
yes, yes.
Les envías
Yes.
una carta cuando quieres invitar a tus amigos a una fiesta.
Perfect.
Ah.
Physical. Or USB to them.
Okay, that's vintage. Mr. Santiago, what is your answer?
Letter A.
You speak to them. Okay. Mrs. Scarlett,
Letter C.
letter C, right? I see it's much more common, more easy to. Mr. Johan,
Letter A.
you speak to them. Okay. Mrs. Rosa Isela,
Letter C.
you email, text, or message them. Okay. And Mr. Jorge,
Frequently, I speaking to them, or maybe messages. It's more informal.
maybe like, hey, come over to my house at 9 p.m. Like something just came up. But it depends of everyone. Okay. Remember, guys, you have to take notes of your answers. Tienen que tomar nota de qué están respondiendo para los puntos, para ver cuál es nuestra personalidad about the internet. Question number 3, please help me, Mrs. Scarlett.
What makes you most excited?
What makes you most excited? ¿Qué te emociona más? Your favorite band is coming to town. Tu banda favorita viene a la ciudad. There is a new computer game you want to try. Hay un juego nuevo que quieres probar. Your favorite celebrity likes on your social media post. Tu celebridad favorita te dio like en el social media. Okay, Miss Gabriela.
Ninguna.
None. Ninguna.
No.
¿No te gustan los video games, las
No,
bandas?
no. My cell phone, I don't like the video, games or computer games. I don't like.
Okay, it is also an answer. Perfect. Mr. Santiago?
Letter B. The new
Letter
video
B?
game.
A
Yes.
computer game. Okay. Mr. Johan?
A.
Letter A, your favorite band. And which is your favorite band? ¿Cuál es tu banda favorita? Which is your favorite band?
They called P1 Harmony.
Oh, that's K-pop.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Mrs. Rosa Isela?
Letter A.
Letter A, your band. Okay, reasonable, Mrs. Scarlett.
Letter C.
Letter C. And what is your favorite celebrity? Who do you want to like your post?
Is a YouTuber. His name is Grace in Internet.
Oh, I'm old. I don't know who is she or he. Okay, Mr. Jorge, what about you?
Uh, Maybe let me see, because I enjoy or I excited when my parents put like in my social media, for example, or when I post a photo or one anything post in the social media. I'm excited when put
When people
like
like it.
or love or I like it or love it.
I love it. Okay, but it is about specifically in this case your favorite celebrity. I don't know. Who is your favorite celebrity? Yeah.
In my case, I don't like it. I don't
No,
have a
not
celebrity
even
favorite.
an
No,
actor, an actress. I would love to John Cena like all my posts. I love him very, very much. Okay, question number 4. Help me with the reading, Mrs. Rosa Isela. Oh,
Do no. How often do you
no, here. Now, do you know?
okay.
Before?
Do you know how many friends and followers you have got on social media?
claro,
That's a
porque
good
este que la
question.
ruedita se había dañado.
Do you know how many friends and followers do you got on social media? ¿Saben cuántos seguidores tienen ahorita en este momento en las redes sociales? I don't use social media. Yo no uso redes sociales. Yes, more or less, más o menos. Yes, I know exactly how many. Yo sé exactamente cuántos. Come on, Mrs. Gabriela.
Yes, more or less.
Más o menos. Okay. What about you, Mr. Johan?
More or less.
More or less. Mr. Santiago?
Yes, more or less.
Okay. Mrs. Rosa Isela?
Yes, more or less.
Everyone, more or less. Mrs. Scarlett?
Yeah, more or less.
And you, Mr. Jorge?
Me too, yes, more or less.
More or less. Okay. So I see you don't like a lot social media. Help me with number 5, please, Mr. Jorge. How often?
Uh, Everything I can. Sometimes. Not every day. I don't have time for
This is
I love
addicting.
photos.
Social media
No,
it
no, no.
gets like an addiction.
In general, I upload photos on my social media when I travel with my family, and or I visit church or I visit the park. I like it. Take it in about the photo this moment. I enjoy
Okay,
it
for
with my
the
family.
special moments. That
The
sounds good.
special moment.
Okay, help me with number 5, please, Mr. Jorge.
Number 5.
Yes, please.
Reading.
How
I
often?
reading. How often do you upload photos of your food to social media?
How often do you upload photos or your food on social media? ¿Cada cuánto le suben fotos de lo que están comiendo, de su comida, a las redes sociales? Never, sometimes, every
Sometimes.
days, you
Sometimes.
sometimes? Okay, maybe when the dish is complicated or pretty delicious. Mrs. Gabriela, what about you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Mrs.
Yes.
Scarlett, what about you?
Sometimes.
Mr. Johan,
Never.
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 Okay, Mrs. Rosa Isela,
Never.
never. Mr. Santiago,
Never.
never. Oh my God. Imagine that we study
Teacher,
marketing.
teacher, only I take a photo, then I eat my food when the dish is specialist,
When you go to an
only a
expensive
specialist.
restaurant,
Okay, okay.
I take photos of everything. Okay, number 6. Help me again, Mr. Santiago, please.
What is the most important thing to take with you on a long journey?
Okay, what is the most important thing, remember the snake pronunciation, TH, to take with you on a long journey? ¿Qué es la cosa más importante que te llevas para una larga jornada? A book to read, un libro, a film to watch, una película, your smartphone. Okay, this is an easy one.
It's difficult the answer.
I do both. I always take a book in my bag, but I cannot go out with my cell phone.
When in this space when not don't have signal or coverture internet, I like I read a book, because when I like sign up, I use a smartphone with stay in connection.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is common. I think no one's get out of their home without their smartphone. Nadie sale sin su teléfono, ¿o sí? Do you guys? You, Mrs. Gabriela? You don't?
No.
No, no one. I think for all of us it's letter C, right? Para todos es letter C? Yes?
Yes.
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 No.
In this nowadays, it's such an important thing to bring us our cell phones. Okay, number 7. Help me again, please, Mrs. Scarlett. You want?
You want to learn how to do something difficult. What do you do?
You want to learn how to do something difficult. What do you do? Quieren aprender a hacer algo complicado, difícil. You ask somebody to teach you. Le dices a alguien que te enseñe. Look in a book. Lo buscas en un libro. Or watch a video online. O buscas un video. What do you do, Mr. Jorge? What do you do?
Ever watch on video online? That is help me in all case.
Perfect. I think everyone does that. What about you, Mrs. Gabriela?
Yes, it's important. It's important for me was a video online.
Okay, Mr. Johan.
Watch a video online.
A video, Santiago.
Look in a book.
In a book. What kind of things? ¿Qué has buscado en un libro? Maybe you are building something, armando algo? Or like what?
Más o menos.
Okay, okay. It's reasonable too. Miss Rosa Isela.
Watch a video online.
Watch a video, Mrs. Scarlett.
Watch a video online. It's more detailed, I guess.
Yeah, no one asks someone to explain it. Nunca prefieren preguntarle a alguien. Maybe if you are with a teacher. Maybe you are in the kitchen doing a recipe and you ask your mom, ¿no?
Yes.
No, normalmente, si le pregunto al profesor, me dice, busquen los libros, ya está.
It happens. It happens to me too. Okay. Okay. I ask a person to tell me. I rather rather people than smartphones. Okay, number 8. Mr. Johan, help me with the last one.
A friend invites you to their house for the first time. What's your first question?
A friend invites you to their house for the first time. What's your first question? Un amigo te invita a su casa por primera vez. ¿Cuál es tu primera pregunta? How far away is it? ¿Qué tan lejos está? Have you got any computer games? ¿Tienes juegos en la computadora? Have you got Wi-Fi? ¿Tienes Wi-Fi? What do you think, guys? Mr.
A.
Santiago,
Letter A.
there A. How far is it,
Yeah.
right? Mr. Johan,
A.
Mr. Jorge, the last question.
How far, how far away is it?
It's common sense. Mrs. Rosa Isela,
Letter A.
Miss Gabriela,
A, A and C.
and C, oh my God. Mrs. Scarlett,
Letter A.
letter A. I think nowadays everyone have their own internet. You don't have internet in your phones? Yes,
Maybe
sometimes.
sometime. Mhm.
Where there is places where there is no signal, like you said. For example, once I go to the beach and there is not 20 signal. And I
Pues
was
acaba el
all
saldo,
the
profe.
weekend. Yes,
Se acaba el saldo. A mí me ha
also.
pasado. Mi paquete no soporta, me gasté el saldo, ya no pude meter. Me quedé sin señal. Peor
Yeah.
botado por vía a la costa.
Oh my God.
Por suerte mi esposa lleva también el de ella. Y tiene saldo.
They had a full package. Okay. Now, you take notes of your answer, right? ¿Tomaron notas de sus respuestas?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see.
Yes.
Let's go to page number 149. This is it? Starting off, school subjects. Okay. How did you score? First off, your scored. Okay. Tiro 1, C2. Ok. Las A's valen 0, las B's valen 1 y las C valen 2 puntos. Ok. Sumen. ¿Cuántos puntos tienen? Come on, do the math. Hagan las matemáticas, chicos. How many C's? Por cada C se van a sumar 2 puntos. Por cada B se van a sumar 1 y por cada A, 0 points.
Tengo en total 7. 7.
7. Ok, Mr. Santiago get a 7. Let's see, vamos a ver qué dice de 4 a 7. Please read it, Mr. Santiago. Let me do it bigger. You are
sometimes online, but not much. You can know it can be useful, but you also like finding information in a book.
okay, you're something's online. A veces estás en línea, but not too much, no mucho. You know it's useful, sabes que es importante, que sirve, pero también te gusta usar los libros. Are you agree? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Okay, perfect. ¿Cuánto le salió a Miss Gabriela?
A.
8. Okay, 8 to 11. Please read it, Mrs. Gabriela.
You spend a lot of time online. Be careful. Don't forget to other things.
You spend a lot of time online. Tú pasas mucho tiempo en línea. Be careful, ten cuidado. Don't forget to do other things. No se olvide de las otras cosas. How many points do you get, Mr. Jorge?
I have more, 15. 15,
More than 12. Come on,
more,
read it.
more than 12. Yes.
Love.
Because I'm in my work, only my work, call, emails, video
Conference.
conference.
Okay,
Yes.
please read this right here.
You love the internet and social media. Maybe you should spend time doing other things as well.
As well means también. Okay, you love internet and social media. Maybe you should spend time doing other things. Okay, but you said it's because the work. Okay, I believe you.
Ya no hago
Mrs.
la tarea
Rosa
porque
Isela.
no voy a seguir.
No, pues eso sí. Mrs. Rosa Isela, come on, how many points did you get?
Miss, cuando te estaba diciendo, explicando lo que íbamos a hacer, se me como entrecortó y no escuché muy bien.
No contaste tus respuestas.
No.
Oh my God. And then read that one. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Being
Online can be fun. Maybe you should try it more.
try it more. Tal vez deberías intentarlo. Okay. Someone get entre 4 y 7 puntos. That someone get the score? No? Mr.
Yes.
Johan, ¿cuántos puntos tiene usted? How many points do you get?
5.
5. Okay, read please this. You're sometimes. This is.
You're sometimes online, but not much. But you also like finding information.
In books. Okay, maybe you're freezing a little bit. Mrs. Scarlett, how score you get? It's my internet.
I have 10.
10. Okay, we already read that. You spend a lot of time online. Okay, perfect. Let's go back to the page we were on. Okay, page. Okay, perfect. So let's see. This is an introduction of what we are going to do. We are going to see a new grammar. Okay? Here we have a listening, okay? Please help me reading the order of number 3, Mrs. Gabriela, for these questions.
Okay. For this question, just the correct answer. You will hear Marta talking to her about what she I hear. Friends, box at the computer. Pair right to things. Age that are mentioned for each person.
Okay, for these questions, remember the Ayuya pronunciation in questions. Choose the correct answer. The W doesn't exist. I don't say answer, I say answer. You will hear Marta talking to her dad about what she and their friends bought at the computer fair. Van a escuchar a Marta hablar con su papá acerca de lo que compraron ella y sus amigos en la feria de computación. ¿Ok? Read 2 things. Tienen que escoger 2 cosas into age and age that are mentioned for each person. Fueron mencionadas por cada persona. By Oli, by Susie, by Ana, by Pedro, by Miguel. Okay? You ready for the listening, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
If you can repeat the object in this blank, in this space.
Okay. ¿Con qué tiene que completar? Yes.
Pero
What was the
¿se
question?
puede repetir el objeto?
I think I think let's listen and see.
Listening, Part 5. Exercise 3.
For these questions, choose the correct answer. You will hear Marta talking to her dad about what she and her friends bought at the computer fair. Write 2 things that are mentioned for each person.
How was your trip to the computer fair, Marta? Did you get the game you wanted?
Yes, I did.
What about Ollie? Did he get a new laptop?
No, he's still saving money for that. But he did buy a mouse. Everybody bought something, actually.
What did they get?
Well, Susie's parents gave her a smartphone for her birthday, and she's worried about breaking it.
She's always dropping things.
I know. So she bought a phone case for it.
Good idea. What did Anna buy?
She bought a memory card for the old camera her dad gave her.
She likes taking photos, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. And you know how Pedro always copies Anna?
Did Pedro buy a memory card too?
No, he bought a camera. It was really expensive.
Miguel was looking for a present for his sister's birthday, wasn't he?
Yes, he was thinking about getting her a mouse like the one I bought. But he changed his mind. I think she'll like the nice keyboard he bought for her.
I'm sure she will.
Okay, do you want to listen it again?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, look at the order. Son los que mencionaron, porque escucho que algunos dicen que no compraron eso o que solo querían comprarlo. And the orders say that are mentioned, que son mencionados, okay?
Unit 8. Listening, Part 5. Exercise 3.
For these questions, choose the correct answer. You will hear Marta talking to her dad about what she and her friends bought at the computer fair. Write 2 things that are mentioned for each person.
How was your trip to the computer fair, Marta? Did you get the game you wanted?
Yes, I did.
What about Ollie? Did he get a new laptop?
No, he's still saving money for that. But he did buy a mouse. Everybody bought something, actually.
What did they get?
Well, Susie's parents gave her a smartphone for her birthday, and she's worried about breaking it.
She's always dropping things.
I know. So she bought a phone case for it.
Good idea. What did Anna buy?
She bought a memory card for the old camera her dad gave her.
She likes taking photos, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. And you know how Pedro always copies Anna?
Did Pedro buy a memory card too?
No, he bought a camera. It was really expensive.
Miguel was looking for a present for his sister's birthday, wasn't he?
Yes, he was thinking about getting her a mouse like the one I bought. But he changed his mind. I think she'll like the nice keyboard he bought for her.
I'm sure she will.
Okay, are we ready? Difficult? Easy peasy? You understand? You didn't understand it? No? Okay, let's go part by part, okay?
The correct answer. Friends bought at the computer fair. Write 2 things that are mentioned for each person.
That they mentioned, que mencionaron, not necessarily that they bought.
How was your trip to the computer fair, Marta? Did you get the game you wanted?
Yes, I did.
What about Ollie?
Okay, did you get the game you wanted? Yes, I did. What did she bought? ¿Qué compró? What did she bought?
Computer game.
A computer game. Letter C. It's already answered. Okay. Let's see about Ollie.
Did the game you wanted?
Yes, I did.
What about Ollie? Did he get a new laptop?
Did he get a new
Laptop.
laptop? Uh-huh. What else?
No, he's still saving money for that. But he did buy a mouse. Everybody bought something actually.
But he buy a
Mouse.
Mouse.
Now,
letter
G.
G.
letter G. Perfect.
What did they get?
Well, Susie's parents gave her a smartphone for her birthday.
Uh-huh. What is the answer?
Smartphone.
Smartphone.
Letter H. And she bought.
And she's worried about breaking it.
She's always dropping things.
I know. So she bought a phone case for it.
She bought a
Case.
a phone case.
Case,
Phone
letter
case
B.
divertido. Okay, perfect. Letter what?
B.
Letter B, yes.
B.
Okay, let's hear about Anna.
Good idea. What did Anna buy?
She bought a memory card for the old camera her dad gave her.
Okay, the both of it. Ya dijo las dos. What does she buy?
Memory card, and camera.
And a camera, yes. The two of them. Letter F and letter A.
She likes
A.
taking photos, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. And you know how Pedro always copies Anna.
Did Pedro buy a memory card too?
No, he bought a camera. It was really...
Okay, what are the answers? He is copying
Memory card.
letter A and letter F. The same. Le copió. They mentioned the same words.
expensive.
Miguel was looking for a present for his sister's birthday, wasn't he?
Yes, he was thinking about getting her a mouse like the one I bought.
Getting him a
Mouse.
letter G, a mouse.
But
What
he
else?
changed his mind. I think she'll like the nice keyboard he bought for her.
I'm sure.
And the last one is
Keyboard.
keyboard. Okay.
Keyboard.
So guys, this right here, it's our vocabulary. Okay. What is a camera? What does it mean? ¿Qué significa? What is a camera?
Cámara.
Una cámara. Yes. It writes the same, se escribe igual, se pronuncia camera, como si tuviera una E right here. Camera. Okay. What is a case?
Disco.
No.
CPU.
A case. This one that covers my phone. What is this?
The protector.
Un forro, un
Protector.
protector. Ajá, perfect. What is a computer game?
Videos.
Juego de computadora. Video game.
Un
Play.
videojuego. What is a keyboard?
Teclado.
Un teclado, perfect. A laptop.
Computadora.
Computador personal.
Portátil.
Ajá, un computador portátil. Yes. A veces me dicen una laptop. Yes, but it has translation. What is a memory card?
Tarjeta de memoria.
Ajá, memory card is not the same as flash memory, okay? No es lo mismo que un pendrive, okay? This is a flash memory. El que tiene USB, and I can introduce it to the PC, it is a flash memory. Don't confuse it. What is a mouse?
Mouse.
Ratón del computador.
Un ratón, un cursor también se le llama, okay?
Sí.
When you say ratón, I don't want to touch it. What is a smartphone?
Cell phone.
Teléfono celular. Teléfono inteligente.
Ajá, teléfono inteligente. Specifically, un teléfono de los de
Celular.
ahorita. Ajá, no solo un celular. A cell phone, maybe the 1100, it's also a cell phone, but it's not a smartphone. Okay? They are different. A smartphone, there's other cell phone that have the camera, that have internet, that have a space to download apps. Okay? They are different. Okay, let me erase this over here. Okay. Okay, let's do this activity. Vocabulary, technology, verbs. Okay, those are a little old words. Okay, maybe right now we have more technology verbs, but these are the ones we are going to use. Please help me read in the order, Mr. Santiago.
Would be if it's raining, I can. No tengo audífono, no puedo escuchar bien. Ya que está lloviendo.
Okay, ¿puedes leer la orden? This
Yes.
one? Okay, perfect.
Work empires. Look at the technology. Facts below. Do you think they are true for you?
Okay, let's see pronunciation. Remember, we already talked about the snake pronunciation, de la pronunciación de la serpiente. You have to take out your tongue. Think, okay? Work in pairs, look at the technology facts below. Do you think they are true for you? Okay. Vamos a ver los hechos, los facts, los hechos, y vamos a decir si nos parecen que funcionan para nosotros o no. Okay, maybe no, because this is an old book. Mr. Jorge, please help me with number 1.
Reading is the one sentence.
Yes, please.
The teenagers check their social media messages up to 100 times per day.
Message. Okay, this is a
Message.
new word too. Esta palabra también es nueva para nosotros. Message.
Message.
Ajá. Yes. Teenagers check their social media message up to 100 times per day. Los adolescentes chequean o miran sus mensajes de las redes sociales al menos 100 veces al día. What do you think? It is true? More than 100
Yes,
times?
I agree. I agree.
am not a teenager and I do.
Yes.
Yes, it is true.
Yes,
Perfect. Okay,
it's true.
thank you. It is true for all, guys. It is true for all. Santiago, Gabriela, Scarlett, Johan, Rosa Isela. It is
No.
true or false?
No.
No.
No, you think no?
No.
More
No.
or less? More than
Less.
100 times?
Less.
Less than 100 times? Menos?
Yes.
Okay, this is personal opinion activity, so it's okay. Help me, Mrs. Scarlett, please, reading number 2.
Ninety-five percent of teenagers upload selfies to social media.
95% of teenagers upload selfies to social media. Más del 95% de los adolescentes subir a las redes. Upload only, subir, no de escalones, subir de información, ¿ok? It's not the same. Selfies to the social media. ¿Suben selfies más del 95% de los adolescentes? What do you think?
Yes. Yes.
Have you ever uploaded a selfie? ¿Ustedes han subido selfies? Have you ever uploaded a selfie?
No.
Yes.
No. Yes. Yeah, it's common. Look at right here. 99%, 95%. Okay, but this is personal opinion. So we have check. ¿Qué significaba check?
Revisar.
Revisar, chequear. Oh, well, chequear no. What means upload?
Subir.
About what? I can upload the stairs. Yo puedo subir las escaleras, upload the stairs.
Subir selfies o fotos.
Information. I can upload my homeworks too. Okay. It's about
Yes.
data. Okay. Help me, Mrs. Gabriela, with number 3.
Most teenagers download music and films from the internet.
Most teenagers download music and films from the internet. Okay, descargan. Descargar o bajar. Bajar no de escaleras. Remember, we're talking about information, okay? Music and films. Did you download music and films?
Yes,
Músicas y
yes,
películas? Yes, it's common. You have a Spotify?
Yes.
Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music.
Just this practice for me pronunciation.
The music.
Listen to pronunciation for me.
Okay. Okay, it is useful too. So what do you think, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, everyone does.
Yes.
Help me, Mr. Johan, with this sentence right here.
Teenagers don't email each other very often.
Teenagers don't email each other very often. Email is not the same as send a message. No es lo mismo que enviar un mensaje. Email, it's using the email account, okay? Un correo electrónico, okay? So you think teenagers don't email each other very often? It is true or false? Come on, open your
True.
microphones.
True.
It is true. What do they do? ¿Cómo se comunican? What do they do?
Formation in WhatsApp.
Message, WhatsApp,
Message.
Instagram, DMs.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't use email neither. It's not that common. Maybe for work, maybe for formal things.
War.
For formal things, you are writing to your teacher, your boss.
Homework.
Yes, it's the use we have today for this. And who wants to read the last one? ¿Quién quiere leer la última? This one. I need volunteers.
Typical teenager sends messages about 15 times per day.
A typical teenager sends
message about
Yeah.
15 times per day.
Okay, a typical teenager, un adolescente típico, enviar, message about 15 times per day. What do you think? Yes or no? More or less?
So.
More.
More.
More. Yes, more.
When I open my WhatsApp, the group says like 200 message.
More.
More than 50, I think. Remember, this is personal
15
opinion.
times per minute. 15 times
Per
per
minute.
minute.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, could be. So, did you take notes of the vocabulary? Those words right here, check, upload, download, email, send, are part of the vocabulary. And so do our camera, case, computer games, keyboard, laptop, memory card, mouse, smartphone. Did you write it down? ¿Lo escribieron? Yes or no? Don't lie to me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And we are all in the same page with the book until exercise number 1. Vocabulary number 1. Yes? We are all the same?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we have grammar. Okay, bring your notebooks. That's it for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
See you
teacher.
tomorrow.